vinyl super holographic Tack-It method ballroom blitz cup. Hey guys, Sarah here from The Glitter Guy, and today we are going to vinyl wrap this cup with holographic vinyl and add some glitter. Before we get started, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can always see all the new videos that we put out. I'm just going to sand this up a little bit. This is a 24-ounce plump from the Steel Magnolia, and that is my favorite cup to wrap. It's such a perfect size, and it's the same size on all the ends. I am going to, do I want to wrap the top or the bottom? Let's do the top. So when I do my wraps, I get this really cool ruler. I think it's an architect ruler maybe? It's triangle. And it fits perfectly on my cup just like that. And the best part is, it always draws you a straight line. Look at how beautiful that is. And this is just a little cup cradle that I got. I think this was from Kettlebell Designs, but you don't need it, but it does make it a little bit easier. This is the Glitter Guy's new holographic vinyl. I just went ahead and already cut it down to a strip. I did not measure this at all. I just kind of cut it, put it up there. All right, I like it, cool. Peel back a piece of this, separated from the backing. Just a little bit. I'm going to make sure that this lines up with the rim of my cup, but most importantly that this lines up with my line, because then I will know that it should be straight. And there we go, so that should work out very well for us. So I'm just gonna take my vinyl squeegee and kind of press down on it. You're just gonna kind of push the vinyl onto the cup while pushing the backing off at the same time. And I know that kind of sounds weird in words, but once you're doing it, I promise it's all gonna come together. Pressing down firmly, not too hard. But this vinyl was printed with UV ink, so it really should be scratch resistant. So I'm just kind of making sure I push all my bubbles out. I know you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm just making sure with my finger that it's overlapped the first part that we put down. You can feel the little rise. So I'm just gonna cut the rest off here. So you have this little raised part there. I am super blind, so I take a piece of painter's tape and I line it up to that seam so that I can see it better. So just kind of take a little piece. So just like we did the vinyl, I'm finding the end and matching it up. Then I'll take my X-Acto knife, the sharper the better, draw the line from the top to the bottom straight down in one shot and get this seam looking nice. See how it came out. I know that this is a part where a lot of people mess up, including me, but if you mess up your seam, don't worry, because you can always hide it with something like a decal or a name or a piece of washi tape. But this came out perfect! Ah! Alright, so we have the whole top half of our cup wrapped. Our seam came out perfect. I am going to take some frog tape and I'm just gonna match it up to the end of the vinyl and then wrap it around the rest of the cup, making sure it's only covering the very edge of that vinyl. As usual, I ripped off entirely too much tape, so we have our cup taped off. Since we have holographic vinyl on this, I thought it would be pretty cool to do Tack-It method on the bottom. It's been a little while since I've done that anyway. So with Tack-It method, if you are not familiar with that, it just kind of like really brings out all the holographic in your glitter. But it also works with all kinds of glitter. Just, you really see a big difference with the holographic. But like literally like a drop of water just to make the glue a little bit runny. That was already too much. And then some Tack-It glue. I'm gonna pour out way more than I need, because I always do. Maybe I'll do another cup later. Mix it up real quick. Even that I would say was more water than we needed. but it's not gonna ruin anything. If anything, it'll just make it a little better. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I didn't like how much that was. So we're just gonna take the glue and apply it to the cup. So now that my cup's pretty glued up, all I'm doing is just going around one last time to make sure that I got nice even strokes around the whole cup, that everything is covered, because we are gonna let this dry for a minute or two. You want it to be tacky and not actually wet. And then we'll add the glitter. All right, so you'll know your cup's ready because all the white has basically disappeared. So, ooh, I almost put that butt down. I don't wanna do that. I'll glue my cup to the table. We are gonna sprinkle on our glitter. You're gonna want to let this also dry, but I'm a very impatient person, so I really only let it dry like a few seconds, honestly. This is a very, very holographic glitter, and I can't believe I've never done Tack-It with it before. I'm very, very interested to see how it comes out. So we will let that sit for a second. Basically, just as long as it takes me to flip this glitter away and then pull the tape. Let's pull this tape. Hope that had all the dramatic effect I was hoping for, because I love tape pulls. Now the fun part. So you're just gonna rub the glitter off. You don't want to press hard or anything. You just kind of go in little circles. I didn't paint it or anything. We just did that right on a stainless steel base. Granted, I did pick a silvery color. Silver, blue, green. No one knows what color this is. That is the beauty of Ballroom Blitz, I suppose. Done. So we got the top that's vinyl wrapped, and I really like this color that we picked at the bottom. This is pretty much done at this point. This is where you're ready for epoxy, and then after that, everything's up to the creative mind. I will put probably a piece of washi tape to separate the line between my vinyl and my glitter. I don't seal my cups with printed vinyl. I also don't seal my cups when I do Tack-It. Honestly, this is dry and it's ready to go. So guys, this is my vinyl super holographic Tack-It method Ballroom Blitz cup. That is the title we're going with. Don't make me repeat it ever again. If you liked what we did here, which I hope you definitely did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can see all the new things that we put out. If you guys are gonna make a holographic cup with holographic glitter for short, make sure to post it in the glitter guy group so we can all see it. And I hope you guys had fun watching.